Here we go, guys. Looking at the daily chart of the natural gas futures. We like looking at the standard futures chart in order to pre-plan our trading strategy for oil, UNG, so on and so forth. So here we are on the standard natural gas futures chart, daily chart, and we're looking for a possible, get ready now, possible breakout on natural gas. Now we do need confirmation. This is like a chess game. All you can do is anticipate, 2 or 3 moves ahead of time, what you should be doing, but it has to confirm and things close the way that you anticipate. And we've taken everything off of here. So let me put on the 8 exponential. What we want is at least um, 2 factors on our side, okay? At least 2 things. Number one, right now, as you can see, with this long-term down trend line that we're beginning to move up and over. Now we still have a little over 5 hours to go before today's candle closes, okay? And anything can happen, in the market in 5 hours. And we've had a kind of a quasi double bottom here, and we went over that on the last video about how we, found the exact bottom location both times on these little moves. And then today, like I said, we beginning to put in a little bit of a bullish candle here, green candle. We are obviously trading up and over the down trend line. That's number one. That's good. That's one factor. Number two, we're slightly above the 8 exponential. We wanted to close over that to even think about getting in. Now we did close barely above it here, and then as you see the next day, they halted it and was push to the downside. So we need a little bit higher. Like if we close at the high of the day, very good probability we get a push back up in, at least into the 20, that blue line and this red dash line of previous support. See all through here, consolidation support until it was broke, and then the rest is story. So we're getting close, not there yet, so we want to stay disciplined, stay diligent to our trading rules, and wait, until the last few minutes of the day if we were going to, take that position. So that's what we're looking for. Close maybe a little bit higher, maybe where we are now, a little bit higher, preferably obviously higher, because we really want to clear that 8 and of course the downtrend line, because we barely closed over it here and you saw the results. So we didn't really have, enough factors in our court. And Boyle, kind of the same deal. Nice downtrend line, but you're well under the 8. I don't know if it's worth, the risk there not or not. I wouldn't play it, but not financial advice. You really want, something like this, like a low and then a higher low and go. And right now you just have a low. So really need to come up a little bit, maybe come back, retest, and then go, um, regarding this current play on Boyle. And then UNG, uh, we still have a ways to go on it as well before I flip um, long. Right now we're short, just holding and molding, but trading just over this downtrend line, going back to the 1st of March, and we had the 8 exponential and this low pivot here, consolidation here, support, broke it. So that's going to be, we have 2 factors above us that could cause pretty, well, short-term resistance, hesitation on the market to get up and over there. But again, like Boyle, we want that down, terrible line up, maybe down again and up. We don't want to take out that low there. We might want to make a higher low, maybe green, 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 then red down, then green back up. And these pivots are just like this, red, green, and then pivot to the down, downside. That's all it is. But they're very, very important. People don't realize just little things like that, how important they are. And really, this is simplistic. It's not easy. And the reason why it's not easy because over here on natural gas, you're saying, man, well, we're getting a big green candle. Not really, but it's kind of a nice green candle. You're taking out a couple of candles here. You're taking out, you're just over the 8. You're just over that down trend line, and people kind of want to, and you made a two little bottoms here and a low here, and then your next low was there, and people might get a little too excited. See, I mean, that's almost a perfect setup. That's why we, did this video, but it's not confirmed yet. It hasn't, closed out, and we haven't been able to, or gotten close to the close anyway, for us to truly evaluate it and see if it's worth a little bit of a scale in. But okay, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Check us out on Twitter. Check out our Patreon members group if you want to learn how to do this stuff or just kind of tweak your skills. Everybody needs a little coaching every now and then. And we will see you on the charts.